morning. Today is 1st of June 2020 and I am taking class 4 English 2. So in our last class we were doing lesson 1, right? Possessive nouns, right? So far we have learned that possessive meaning what? Possession, right? Things that belongs to someone, right? Something that belongs to something or someone, right? That is possession, right? So possessive noun, okay? So how do we change a noun into its possessive form, right? We change it by adding apostrophe, okay, right? This is an apostrophe. Then what happens is that if the noun is singular, okay, if the noun is singular, and what happens if the plural form of the noun is also it doesn't end with s, then with that we add apostrophe s, okay. But if the noun is in plural form, okay, but ends with the letter s, right, then we add the apostrophe at the end of the s, right? And this way what do? We change from a noun into its possessive form. We have finished exercise number A and B, and today we will go with exercise number C. Okay, so before that I want to tell you that in proper noun, okay, proper noun you know that has a specific name, right? So proper noun, what do we do in proper noun? We use apostrophic s at the end of it, right? Like Vikas. So before we learn if the last letter is s, we add apostrophe at the end, but Vikas is a proper noun, right? So in here what happens? We don't add just apostrophe, we add apostrophic s because this is a complete name, right? Then there are some words which are also proper noun, but what happens there, like Socrates, it ends with s, but here we don't add apostrophic s, we simply add apostrophe. Alright, so in some words proper noun, in some words we add apostrophic s, but in some we simply add the apostrophe. Alright, okay. Now we go to exercise number C. So here we have to do what? We have to circle, right, the, what to say, the possessive noun and underline the regular noun. Regular noun, it's very easy. Regular noun we don't have apostrophe s, and in possessive noun we have apostrophe s, right? Noun we all know what is a noun. Noun means name of anything, right? So that is a noun, so that's regular noun, right? Then number C, number 1. So look at the sentence. It says these are our neighbors' chairs, right? So in this neighbors we have apostrophic s, so neighbors' chairs. So this is what? This is a possessive noun, right? Because there is an apostrophic s. Then number 2 we have the tables belongs to our neighbors. Here the word tables, we do not have apostrophe, right? This is regular noun. Then what? Neighbors. Here neighbors word does not have apostrophe s, right? So this is a regular noun. First one, neighbors, there is an apostrophe, so this is possessive noun. In number 2, tables and neighbors, we do not have an apostrophe, okay? So this becomes what? This becomes a regular noun. Then go back to number 3. In number 3 we have Deepika's room is untidy. So here the word Deepika's, we have a what? Apostrophic s. So this one is a possessive noun, okay? Number 4 we go, the books Deepika has are untidy. So here the word books, we do not have an apostrophe, this is regular noun. Then Deepika, this is also a regular noun. In previous number 4 we had Deepika's, right? Apostrophe s, that's why that one is a what? Possessive noun. But in number 4 it's only Deepika, we do not have apostrophe s, that's why this is a regular noun, okay? Underline this one. Number 5 we have Radhika's brother got married to Tejas' sister. So here Radhika's, right? So this is what? Possessive noun, Then Tejas. This is also a possessive noun because there is an apostrophe case. Right. Then we have number 6. Radhika has 2 brothers and Tejas has 2 sisters. So here Radhika and Tejas, we do not have apostrophe case. So here they becomes regular noun. So underline this. Okay. Then we have number 7. St. Paul's Cathedral. So here St. Paul's Cathedral. There is an apostrophe s. So this St. Paul's is what? This is a possessive noun. Number 8 we have the visitors' bags were. Here visitors apostrophe s is there. So this is a what? Possessive noun. Number 9, Miss Jones stays in a girls' hostel. Here the word girls, there is an apostrophe at the end. So this is a possessive noun. Then number 10 we have, there is a huge room, a neem tree near the Mrs. Jones hostel. So Mrs. Jones hostel is what? It is a possessive noun. Okay. We have finished so far. Finish your homework and we'll finish it here today. Thank you.